Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Instagram when effects or filters are not being shown to you. So let me show you an example. First of all, let's open our Instagram app, and now once we swipe to the right, it will take us to the camera page where on the bottom side we can see all of the different filters and effects of Instagram. So these are all of the effects or filters of Instagram, but in your case, if it doesn't show up, what you can do is go to your Play Store or App Store and then type in Instagram. Now make sure that your app is up to date. Sometimes if your app is not up to date, the features won't show, meaning the effects and filters will not show on your account. But now once your app is up to date, try using the feature again. But if it still doesn't show, what you can do is open settings. After that, go to apps. Now scroll all the way down until you find Instagram. So tap on it. And now try force stopping the app at first. Then go to storage and then clear both the cache memory as well as your data. Now open Instagram app. Now relog into your account. Now once you've logged into your Instagram account, try using the effects filters this time, and this time your Instagram will surely show all of the filters and effects. So that is how you fix Instagram when filters or effects are not showing. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.